Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter.
Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command.
Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command.
Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c : /.
Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command.
Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.